The Axminster Woodturning long hole boring bit and handle will allow smooth depth control, making boring a breeze. With its innovative design, you no longer need to worry about hitting the centres or misjudging your depth. Set the depth using the ER20 collet system. Slide the auger into the handle, select your chosen boring depth and secure using the collet. The auger's parabolic flute design clears chips quickly to prevent overheating. The hollow handle transforms into multiple different tools when used with a range of interchangeable turning attachments. So make your boring more exciting and switch to the Axminster Woodturning long hole boring bit and handle today. Visit axminstertools.com.